guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to day 3 of our sneak peeks for our November box of the month. I'm super excited. We have a beautiful theme. It's like a romantic cowgirl theme. We have new spots opening up November 1st, 9 a.m. Central Time. You can subscribe to the box of the month. There'll be a drop-down menu on the listing. You'll choose monthly for your frequency, and that will get you an 18% off discount in your shopping cart, and then you'll get your box shipped to you every 30 days from the date you purchased. So the first is a perfect time to subscribe. Then your next box will ship out on the December 1st. So I hope you enjoyed yesterday's sneak peek with Teresa. She shared the stamp set, Cowgirl's Heart. There will be a die available for purchase for this stamp set on the 1st. Gorgeous stamp sets. For day 1, I shared the Cowgirl Up paper pad and coordinating ephemera, and we created this card here. Now the sentiment from this card here is on the stamp set that I'm sharing today. This stamp set is called Western Sentiments, and it's perfect to go with both paper pads that are in the box of the month. For our junior box of the month, which is a smaller version of our box, we have Cowgirl Up paper pad, coordinating ephemera, and these 2 stamp sets here. So these will be in the junior box as well. So we've got Bless Your Heart, Saddle Up, Cowgirl, Forget Glass Slippers, This Princess Wears Cowboy Boots. Boots, lace, and a whole lot of grace. I'm head over boots for you. Country roads take me home. Wild hearts can't be broken. So great sentiments. I'm going to stamp these out. There is no coordinating die for this stamp set. I thought the stamp set was just perfect to use a square die to cut out the sentiments. So it'll save you some money. Lots of people have square dies in their stash, so you just get a square die that will fit, or you can just cut them out with your trimmer or use a circle die, whatever. But I thought we'd save a little money and not produce dies for this stamp set. So I'm going to go ahead and stamp this out. We'll make a quick card with this paper pad and ephemera and use the sentiment stamp sets. And I'm just going to stamp out, a few of these. I'm going to make sure there's enough room for me to cut this out. Okay, let's go ahead and cut these 2 out. I'm going to stamp the one with the horse in brown. So I'm going to use Distress Oxide in Vintage Photo. Now I have 2 options for my card. I thought I'd bring this sheet of paper out from the paper pad. It matches the brown pretty well. And there's a pretty floral print on the back that I could use. So let's cut this down. So we're going to cut this down at 5 1/4 by 4 inches. And then I have this piece here that I can use, or this piece. So are you excited for the November designs? I'm really, really excited. Be sure to visit Kendra from Kendra's Card Challenge, her YouTube channel. She will be doing a video using the box of the month. So I'm really excited to see what she created. Also, tomorrow, Helen will be on the YouTube channel sharing the next paper collection in the box of the month. Super excited to see what she created. So I thought the little horse would be a really nice image to go with the sentiment. So thinking the horse. So let me see where I want to add it. Kind of like it here. And then let's bring in the floral. So we could do the skinny piece that's left over. Add it there. We can bring in another pattern. I know I have some scraps from the other day, so let's see. I have this, this, and this. Can create a little banner. Just playing around with my arrangement. I think I definitely want this in between the wood slat here. So I'm going to cut that down to 4, or no, I'm going to cut it down to 5 1/4, and then go ahead and glue that there. And then let's see how we can use this piece. Let's see, I have this that'll match. Maybe a little bow somewhere. Let's see, maybe if I wrap this bow around here. Let's do that. So I added some double-sided adhesive to the back of this, and I'm just going to wrap this. I'm going to glue this down. Okay, let's glue down our sentiment. I'm going to put some foam tape on the back of my image. There's a bigger horse and a smaller horse, so I'm going to see which one looks better. Okay, so there's some hearts in this collection, so perfect for the sentiment here. I'm going to tuck a heart underneath. And then we'll pop up our horse and this heart here. Okay, so I add a little foam tape to the back, and then a little foam tape to this little heart. I'm going to grab some stickles. Let's glitter up those hearts. I'm going to add some enamel dots. Okay, so there's the finished card Wild hearts can't be broken. Super pretty with those stickles inside the heart. Love that. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Come back tomorrow to see what Helen, Crafty Mama Diaries, has in store for you. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.